A lot of local libraries offer 3D printing services. So today I'm going to share with you 3 of my favorite 3D printing designs, where I found them for free, and what your local library can do to help you print some assistive devices. My name is Larissa and welcome to the Concussion Crew, your go-to place for all things concussion recovery. A lot of local libraries have one-on-one sessions or intro sessions or different seminars where they will help you to 3D print. My library, Markham Public Libraries, actually has a service where you can give them the files and they will tell you how much it'll cost to print, and they do everything. They send you an email and you can come and pick it up. I found that an amazing offering. I'm going to link below Thingiverse, which is the website where I found all 3 of the assistive devices that I printed. I'm also going to link to those specific pages. So if you want to explore Thingiverse, they've got a ton of assistive devices and toys and things for around the house, decor items. There is so much that you can find on Thingiverse. But if you're specifically looking for things like a line reader or a pill package opener or a soda handle, they will be linked below. I'm thirsty, so let's start by talking about the soda can holder. This guy, I think he cost me $5, $4 to print because it took so much more filament to make. But you can slide your soda in there, and then rather than having to hold the soda, you can hold a handle, which to me felt more stable, and I was less likely to knock this puppy over when I had a handle that I could make sure I had grabbed onto. Condensation was not an issue. I slide the can in there, I open it up, and you can just drink. Refreshing. This device provides a better grip on cans. So if coordination is an issue, it can help people to drink more independently and more confidently. This is a line reader. So if your eyes are really jumpy after your concussion, if reading is difficult, this can isolate one line at a time as you read, which can help because it makes your eyes focus where you want them to, and it hides the extra information, the extra words. And then last but not least, this is a pill popper. So if you're having difficulty with packages of pills where you pop out the pill, these guys are awesome. You can put the package right here, push down, and it pops the pill out. And there is a bit of an opening here, so the pill will fall down into the 3D printed pill popper thing, and you can take the package out and then put the pill into your hand. I've included links to these items below to get you started, and I encourage you to reach out to your local library and just let them know what's going on. If you say, I have a concussion, I need some help, people want to help you, and that's what they're there for. They want these machines to be used. So they will work with you so that you can get the help that you need. You can get the devices that are going to make your life easier. And if you make things easier at home, if you take some of the cognitive load off, it'll allow your brain more energy for healing. If you 3D print something, I hope that you will take a picture and post it in the comments. I'd love to see what people are making. Have fun 3D printing, and please remember that you are not alone in your concussion.